What's up, Tallywhackers? Early morning. Oh, I got out here late, I guess. 7:30. Could have got out here a lot earlier, but the rain's moving in. I'm fishing the lake. I fished here quite a few times in the past, but I'm hoping today does really well. I seen a post on Facebook and it said you can do anything, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go out here and hopefully slice some good fish. But that rain's moving in, like I said. We gotta get some poles out and hopefully beat the rain, but that's the plan. So let's just get going, start fishing. I'm trying to eat a sandwich at the same time here. Well, the news people said that the wind was supposed to die down. I mean, the good thing is it's not in my face. Like a lot of times I come out to this particular spot, the wind's usually blowing right at your face, so that's a good thing. Oh, it's hard to get these things in here. I have to work with that a little bit. Start spreading poles out. One more. I'm hoping I do pretty good today. I don't know, but conditions are right. This front moving in and all that good stuff. So I think I'll put worm in the middle. And cut bait on the sides here. Yep, we got frozen bait today. I'm gonna start off with a quillback head and a body section. Got my super dull knife here. And hope something picks it up. That's the plan to start. Hopefully I get something before this rain moves in. I shouldn't have to go far. I wouldn't think I'd have to, but we're gonna spread them out. Not very far. Kind of looking for walleye, channel cat, anything that's gonna be running through here at this time. I'm hoping it's good. Right here during a front, cold front. And then the middle guy I'm gonna put worms on, or night crawler, I should say. And just kind of see what happens. Let's just do the old jig head night crawler. Same setup I use to catch walleye out here. It's a red jig head. I don't know, 1/4 ounce, probably. And a whole night crawler. Just kind of get out here and ain't gonna go very far. They come up here pretty shallow, especially when they're moving through. Am I gonna catch a fish here today? I really thought that this was gonna be good. It looks like the rain's gonna miss me. It's going around me on both sides. That'd be excellent. I can sit here for a little while longer. Oh, there's the rain. Dang, just when I was saying the rain was gonna miss me. Don't look like it's gonna miss me now. I'm gonna get my raincoat on so I can stand out here. It's an old yellow raincoat, but boy does it work good. Something on my worm. Worm's getting bit. Something small though, I think. Looks small. Yeah, he ain't very big. Just trying to get it though. There we go. Got one. He ain't very big. I don't think he's tiny though. Feels like a drum. Nope. Little catfish. There's gonna be a lot of these coming through here, like usual. Open up, dude. Hopefully you guys don't get too wet. Little tiny catfish, our first fish. The other way, buddy. He'll make it. He's got it. I'll give this place maybe another half an hour and I'm gonna move to another spot. You guys are gonna get wet. Yeah, you're wet now. Another small bite. Small bite again. And it's tiny. Looking for something bigger, man. Looking for something bigger, but it ain't. It's even smaller than the last one. Feels like a channel again. Yep, even smaller than the last dude. But it looks like he saved me my worm, which is nice of him. It's a small channel cat running through here right now. There you go. Other way. There you go, bud. Wash off the bottoms of my pole. Grab my pole holders. That's all I got down here. Move on to the next spot. Okay, spot number 2. I think I might have mentioned I haven't fished this in years. I was wanting to fish under the bridge just in case it rained, but there's already a couple people over there, so it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. So I'll fish over here. Boy, it's just shallow. It's just shallow. You can't even use this boat ramp. There's nothing left of it. Well, that's besides the point. Let's start getting after it. I'm expecting snags right here. Let's draw out this head I had out over there. And probably ain't got to go very far. Deep enough. See what happens with that. Shoot, I forgot my pole holders. That's all right. And we'll throw this dude over here. Try to not fall down on these slippery rocks. There's got to be some fish around here somewhere. Don't think I got to go very far out. It's not very deep, but that's probably fine. That should work. See what happens to that guy. Try this guy first, which I haven't caught a fish off of in many years. I don't even know where to start. I think I'll start over here. Got my doubts, but we're gonna try. Smallmouth should be biting. I haven't used this lure in years. I mean, it could be a decade. I bet this place is pressured pretty good too, if I had to guess. Let's try over here. Try about everywhere. Ooh, there's one. Ooh, that was cool. I don't know what it is. Oh, dang it, came off. Dang it. Wonder what it was. Come on. Another one. Let's go. It looks like the rain's gonna let up again, which would be nice. I seen you catch one.
There's crappie over there too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dude, if you wanted some like some big flatty bait,
Yeah.
dude, they're not even, you could literally walk over there and just like drop something in there and snag them.
Really?
Yeah, they're like not paying attention at all.
Man, right in front of me. Dude, I watched him. That was cool. Now I brought some big shad for cut bait actually.
Dude, they're like this, dude.
Huh.
Good luck, man. Have a good one.
Thank you. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get my pliers. I'm not gonna get hooked today. At least I don't want to get hooked today. Oh, a little smallie right there in front of me. Right when I was talking to that guy. That fish didn't care. It's a bad thing about treble hooks. Got him out successfully. That's a huge deal in my book. He's small, but he had to have that bait. Let him go. See you, bud. Doesn't really know what direction he's wanting to go, but he went. That was neat to watch him do that. Watched him just crush it. Looks sharp enough. I think I'm looking for a snag. Switching up like this. Who knows? Who knows what'll happen? But I figured fishing would be good today, under the circumstances. Man, I see what he's talking about. A lot of shad, dude. Lots of shad. Jeez Louise, that's a big shad. Thing's ginormous. That's all I need is one. Well, the rain let up. That's good. I wonder for how long. Oh, got one. Off the rocks over there. Gotta be another smallmouth. What is that, a shad? Snagged something. It's a crappie. I'm thinking he swiped at it. Huh. Paper thin guy. Wow. It's not very big. Paper guy. Not very thick at all. I'm thinking he swiped at it. Couldn't tell you the last time I fished in the rain. It's been a while. I don't mind it too much. That's a lot of shad right there. Jeez Louise. Oop, there's one. What do we got? Largemouth? I can't tell. I think it's a largemouth. Do we have spotted bass here? 'Cause he's got a small mouth for a largemouth. Boy, he's warm. Well, cool. Caught one. Caught another one. Out here in the rain. Little guy, but it's better than nothing. See you, bud. Thought it was a snag at first. One more fish. Let's go for one more fish. Found me something. Well, he don't look like he's in very good shape though. It's pretty bad. There's one. Hit it out there a little ways. Oh, don't get me snagged in something. What do we got? Ooh, definitely a smallmouth. Definitely a fighter too. Oh, he choked that thing. So there's smallies over here. Smallies everywhere. Choked it. There we go. Just a little guy. Another little guy. How? How? God, he's so small. He got it though. He got it. Tiny dude. I thought it was a shad at first. Yeah, there's just fish loaded all over this little waterfall thing. Discharge of the streets, I'm thinking. Gotta be another bass. Had my camera off because my battery's getting low. Definitely another bass. Boy, they're just sitting around in these rocks. Well, he's pinned. Yeah, it's really pinned. Another little smallmouth. He's got almost red eyes, but not quite. See you, bud. Well, I went ahead and left. Obviously, I'm in my truck. Right when it quit raining too. But I wasn't catching anything but small bass. Caught that one crappie, but other than that, it is what it is. I haven't fished in the rain for I couldn't tell you how long. And I lost my intro and outro somehow. I don't know, it just disappeared. So I was debating on whether or not I should make a new one or if I should round up my old ones and use them again. I'm not sure yet. That's kind of why you haven't been seeing them. So until I figure that out, I guess there won't be one or two, whatever. But I'm going home, and until next time, thanks for watching Tally Go.